Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to get rid of pimples. Pimples are a normal skin condition that affect many people. When a hair follicles get clogged with dirt and sebum, it gives rise to pimples. Pimples are an inflammation of the skin in which the oil glands become infected with bacteria, swell up and fill with pus. Here are some special home remedies to get rid of pimples overnight. Home remedy number 1, honey and cinnamon. Both honey and cinnamon have antibacterial properties that treat pimples at their source. Mix together 1 teaspoon each of cinnamon powder and honey to form a paste. Before applying the paste, wash your face with water and pat it dry with a soft towel. Apply the paste over the pimple-ridden skin with your finger and leave it on overnight. Wash the paste off your face when you wake up the next day. Repeat this remedy 3 times a week. Home remedy number 2, ice cubes. Ice can significantly bring down the swelling that surrounds a pimple. Wrap in ice cubes in a single layer of a towel. Apply the wrapped ice on the pimples for a few seconds at a time. Repeat after intervals of several minutes. Try this remedy 2 times a day. Home remedy number 3, lemon. Lemon juice contains citric acid that works effectively to alleviate any form of breakouts. Squeeze a lemon to get a little lemon juice. Dip a cotton ball into the fresh lemon juice. Apply the lemon juice on the pimples with the cotton ball. Let it stay on your skin overnight, then wash off the lemon juice in the morning. Repeat this twice a week. Home remedy number 4, toothpaste. Toothpaste can help you get rid of pimples overnight by drying them out and cleaning them. Squeeze a little drop of toothpaste on your finger. Use the classic white toothpaste for this remedy, not the fancy and colorful varieties. Apply the paste on the pimple affected areas. Leave it on overnight, then rinse the toothpaste off with water in the morning. Apply toothpaste 2 or 3 times a week. Home remedy number 5, aspirin. Aspirin helps to bring down the swelling and redness surrounding the pimple. Crush aspirin in a small bowl. Add a little water to the crushed aspirin and make a spreadable paste. Apply the aspirin paste on your pimples. Let it sit overnight, then rinse your face in the morning. The pimple should be greatly diminished in size. Apply this remedy twice a week. Home remedy number 6, baking soda. Baking soda is one of the most inexpensive methods available to relieve pimples. Put 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a bowl. Add enough water to form a spreadable paste. Cover your pimples with the baking soda paste. Leave it on for a couple of minutes to let it dry. Then wash it off with tepid water. Repeat once or twice a week. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.